guys, it's Lisa again, and I feel absolutely ridiculous, but this is probably the best cleaner ever. It's budget friendly. It's distilled vinegar. We don't need fancy cleaners for this type of surface, this type of, whatever. You don't need it. Literally, it's vinegar and water. I'll share a link to a Better Home and Gardens article, but it's time to clean all of the big appliances. So literally, this can go into the washing machine. It can go in the dishwasher. It can go in the microwave. Um, a combination of this and a rag for the refrigerator. And what totally didn't dawn on me was the coffee pot. I actually got a little disturbed on how gross your coffee pot can be. So definitely we'll have a link down there, but it's literally you run it through the process with a combination of water and vinegar, gets all the lovely stuff off. Then you run it through with water again, maybe a little pat down, dry off, and you're good to go. It's easy. So don't go crazy breaking the bank on just doing your spring cleaning.